The natural beauty of solid hardwood is essential to our design process. After all of our furniture pieces are produced, they make their way through our finishing process. At our finishing shop, all furniture is disassembled and labeled to ensure that all pieces and parts of each order are finished together. Each furniture piece is then sanded by hand and moved through a process that includes staining, sealing, and top coating. The stains we apply are formulated to accentuate wood grain as much as possible. They visually explode the flakes in quarter-sawn oak and bring out all the fine-grained beauty in cherry. Stain quality is checked after each application to ensure the stain is consistent throughout on all pieces. Our top coat then has the highest resistance to scratching of any available and repels everything from water to fingernail polish. Together, our stains and top coat create a depth and dimensionality in the wood that is truly beautiful, as well as durable, and is easy to clean and maintain. The results oftentimes look alive. After the applications have dried, the pieces are then meticulously reassembled and inspected. They are then wrapped and protected for delivery and shipped from the Amish countryside to our galleries and your home or office. Discover one of the best selections of furniture anywhere, only at the Amish Furniture Gallery and unpluggedfurniture.com.